Welcome everyone to this week's Play at Home program. My name is Miss Katie. Play at Home is a program designed for ages 2 and up and their grown-ups to practice early learning or early literacy skills at home. The reservations for this week have passed, but you can sign up for your materials kit for next week by visiting the link in the comments field. You can also call the library to see if they have any of the Count to 5 kits, which is today's kits, left over. We'll be happy to put them for you at the drive-up window or at the youth services desk if there are any extras. If you haven't had a chance to pick up this week's kit materials, you can recreate it at home. You're going to need 5 popsicle sticks and 5 clothespins as we practice our Count to 5 activity. So this one is very simple. We want you to take 1 popsicle stick at a time and have your child count up using the dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Success! This can be done in the go. It can be done at home. What's nice about this is that we have the dots already marked for you, so your child has a target to aim for. Clothespins can be hard for our children to learn how to work because they'll be using their pinching muscles. So they'll have to pinch and hold it open enough to get it onto the popsicle stick dot. There are more ways to play with these materials at home. You can do some simple addition. You can ask your child 1 plus 2 equals, and see if they're able to come up with the answer without counting. If they still need to count, you're still practicing great early learning and early math skills. Lastly, you can do a challenge. Remember I said how this pinching is difficult? You can do a couple different kinds of challenges to help work on this pinching skill. You can have your child try to pinch how old they are. So Miss Katie would have to pinch quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the idea. You could also have your child try to hold the pinch, and you can count along for how many seconds they can keep this pinching going. It is also okay if you practice using both your left and your right hands. Many of our children may already be showing a preference for one hand over the other, but some of our children may not. So it's important to practice both of those muscles. Thank you so much for watching today's Play at Home activity. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. I'll be back here same place, same time, Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m. Until then, goodbye, friends.